Hello, welcome to the magical land of JingJangJooJong. My name is Fairy Liquid / Joy. And hang on a minute. What's that up your nose? Oh, it's a magic bogey. Oh, I've seen these before. Look what happens. Whoop. Way up. Nice work. Hey, you catch. Right. Oh, look, it's there. It's behind your ear. It's got it behind your ear. Oh, do you know, actually, this is really, really tempting, this magical bogey. I just can't help myself. Actually, that wasn't really quite as nice as I thought. Hang on a minute. I feel it moving down. Down. Oh, man, that's disgusting. Do you want it? Okay, I'll tell you what. Open your mouth, open wide. Here we go. Well, that's just a little magic trick which I do with the kids, and when it's dark, so that's why we're in semi-darkness today, so that you can see that. And I hope you enjoyed that. If you just click on the link at the end of the video or down in the show notes, you can see the reveal.